Hi, today is gonna be one of the busiest days at uni and let me show you how it goes. I wake up early in the morning and just like every day, my morning starts with a cup of coffee. I love having breakfast, and since I have been eating healthily for over 2 years, I usually have fruits and my favorite raw bars. I really enjoy doing my makeup, and whenever I go out, I make sure to put it on. Quick outfit check, and I head to campus where I'm about to spend the entire day mainly in the workshop. As design students, our course offers a more creative approach to learning, extending beyond traditional classrooms. During the lunch break, I have coffee with my friends, and then, since we have a career week, we have a visiting lecturer. I get back home at around 5 in the afternoon, grab a cup of tea, and sit on my laptop to keep working on my digital model. After that, I do the laundry. Not the most exciting thing, but here we are. Then I follow my quick evening skincare routine, and finally I go to bed as I'm really tired. Good night.